Hello friends, Rajasthan has updated the MBBS BDS counselling schedule for round 1 NEET UG 2025 for the state quota admissions. This schedule is only applicable for Rajasthan domicile candidates as they are only allowed for 85% seats in the government medical colleges as well as 100% seats in the private medical colleges of Rajasthan. If you have not registered earlier, this is the opportunity for you to register now for round 1 counseling process. In addition to the domicile candidates, only NRI candidates from other states can apply for the NRI seats in the government medical colleges in Rajasthan. If you could not take the advantage of round 1 registrations earlier, you have the opportunity to register fresh, and those candidates who completed the part 1 of the application but could not complete the part 2 can complete the part 2 of the application process. For the already registered candidates who have completed part 1 and part 2 of the registration process, they need not reapply. Application opens on 7th of August and shall remain open till 8 pm of 9th August 2025, with provisional merit list being released on 10th August 2025. The physically handicapped candidates, non-resident Indian candidates, defense category candidates can get their documents verified on 11th of August 9 am at Sawai Man Singh Medical College, Jaipur. The revised merit list will be published on 12th of August 2025. The security deposit for choice filling for government quota is 5,000, management quota is 2 lakh, NRI private MBBS is 5 lakh, and for government and private BDS it is 10,000. The security deposit has to be paid after successful verification of documents only before the choice filling. The deposit window will remain open from 12th to 14th August till 5 pm. Please note that for Rajasthan, www.rajugneet2025.com is the official site for updates and registration. If you are looking for MBBS admission in Rajasthan, don't delay the process. Follow each step to avoid disqualification. If you are looking for help with the registration, fees, seat allotment, or trying to find out the best medical college for you in India, call Class to College expert team at 93190 17369 or visit www.classtocollege.com for complete support.